What if I tell you this tiny resistor can automatically turn devices on or off just by heat? No microcontroller, no programming, just a simple temperature sensor circuit using LM393 IC. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a temperature sensor on-off circuit using LM393 comparator IC and an NTC thermistor resistor. This circuit can be used as a heat alarm, cooling fan controller, or temperature-based switch. For this project, we only need a few basic components: LM393 comparator IC, 10K NTC thermistor resistor, two 50K variable resistors, 12-volt DC battery or power supply. And that's it. Very simple and low cost. Thermistor testing. First, let's understand how the NTC thermistor works. At normal room temperature, the thermistor resistance is about 7 kilo ohms, as you can see on the multimeter. When we apply heat, the resistance decreases. And when the temperature goes back to normal, the resistance increases again. This behavior is why it's called an NTC thermistor, negative temperature coefficient. Now let's move to the circuit. We use the LM393 IC, which is a dual voltage comparator. One 50K variable resistor is connected to pins 3, 4, and 8, with the middle pin connected to pin 3. The second 50K variable resistor is connected to pins 2 and 8, and its third pin is left open. The NTC thermistor is connected between pin 2 and pin 4. We take the output from pin 1 of the IC, output connection. In my case, I'm using a 12-volt LED light. LED negative is connected to IC pin 1. LED positive is connected directly to the positive supply. You can also use relay, buzzer, alarm, or any other load. Sensitivity adjustment. You can adjust both 50K variable resistors too. Set the temperature threshold. Control the sensitivity of the circuit. This allows you to fine-tune the circuit exactly for your needs. Now let's understand how the circuit works. When the temperature is normal, the thermistor resistance is high and the LED remains on. As soon as we apply heat to the thermistor, its resistance decreases. The LM393 comparator detects this change and turns the LED off. When the temperature drops again, the LED turns on automatically. Reverse operation. Important tip: if you want the opposite behavior, LED on at high temperature and off at low temperature, simply change the LED connection. Connect LED positive to IC pin 1. Connect LED negative to negative supply. That's it. No other changes needed. As you can see, when I bring the soldering iron close to the thermistor, the resistance drops and the LED turns off. And when the thermistor cools down, the LED turns on again automatically. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. More simple electronics projects, sensors, and DIY circuits are coming very soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.